together celebrate, yeah. I forgot the times that I was ever sad, hey. But mainly the times of hate, yeah. Oh, it's funny how much can happen, but things will stay the same. Oh, but life will turn a corner, and decisions turn out made. So I sing, the sun comes up but my head is low. I'm still in bed cause the world is cold. Everything is a daze to me, so I fly into outer space. The moon above has a healthy glow. I'm flying over the streets I know, and everything that I used to see has gone to another place.
Sudden anger in me, starting from my stomach and rising up within me. It's taking over my life, making me feel so dizzy, making me look at the news as if it's one big conspiracy. I see the truth and I feel the lies, but so many different views and so many different eyes make us paralyzed. We're also hypnotized from all the fluorides and chemtrails up in the skies. They wanna dumb us down
just because they're scared of us. They know that if we band together we could rise above. Like feed us lies on the telly cause so many trust that the UN's agenda actually cares about us. But I know better, you see it's all about to end. It's a worldwide suicide fashion trend. We wanna look pretty and we wanna all pretend, but the truth is something nobody can comprehend.
That's right.